Hey there, crypto enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the world of DeFi protocols and why taking a proactive approach is an absolute game changer. When it comes to securing DeFi protocols, we can't just deploy them and walk away. We need to be on our toes, actively monitoring what's happening inside the protocol, and be ready to respond to any potential attacks automatically. Now, here's the deal. This proactive approach becomes even more crucial in Web3 compared to Web2. Let me break it down for you. Firstly, Web3 opens the door to more attack vectors. The blockchain's openness means both the good guys and the bad guys can easily access and analyze the source code of those smart contracts. It's like leaving the front door wide open for anyone to stroll right in. Secondly, exploiting vulnerabilities in Web3 can be crazy lucrative for attackers. You see, the anonymous nature of blockchain transactions makes it super tricky to track their sneaky activities. And lastly, with flash loans at their disposal, attackers can boost their financial powers to a whole new level. Imagine in Web2, if you discovered a vulnerability, you would need $3 million to launch the attack. But most people don't have that kind of money to launch an attack. However, with flash loans, you can borrow up to $10 million, execute the attack, and then pay back the loan. It's like having a financial superpower at your fingertips. So, my friends, it's the key to keeping our DeFi protocols locked down and outsmarting those sneaky attackers in the wild world of Web3. Keep your guard up, stay secure, and I'll catch you in the next video.